no doubt that where people have to start is by getting proper advice. As you would know in your profession, advice is key. Very often people are reluctant to get advice from lawyers because there's a lot of bad publicity about lawyers and family law. People think that as soon as they go and see a lawyer, it's going to be guns at 50 paces and everyone's going to spend $30,000 or $40,000 and everyone's going to end up in court. And nothing really could be further from the truth. What we normally do is we see the clients, give them some careful advice as to what the best options are, what the best case and worst case scenario is, what they can reasonably expect from the system, and try and help them to do a deal as quickly as they can and as amicably as they can. Sometimes it can't be done amicably, but with dignity and as quickly as the system will allow. Once people get advice, they're then in a position of knowledge, and as you would know, it's much easier to negotiate and make some sensible decisions from a position of knowledge rather than a position of relative ignorance. So it's really critical for people to get advice from a specialist family lawyer early on so that they know which way to go.
And it's more just to have peace of mind as well, because once you start, you get the family and the friends, everyone gets advice. And
everyone seems to be an expert in family law. People come in and tell us the most bizarre stories about what they think the law is and what they've been told by their next door neighbour's cousin, and very often the information they get is wrong. So it's important to get clear, competent, professional advice early on. And if they go to proper, competent, experienced lawyers, the lawyers are not going to push them into court and push them into litigation. We'll all push them towards resolving it if it can be resolved.